Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'll do an unboxing of EcoDot Generation 4, and while we do the unboxing, we'll look into what's inside, and in addition to that, we'll also talk about the features and benefit of this particular EcoDot. I do have an EcoDot 2nd Gen, so we'll do a quick comparison between EcoDot 2nd Gen and EcoDot 4th Gen. We'll try to see the difference. And in case you're planning to upgrade, or in case you're planning to purchase a new EcoDot, you'll have a clear-cut idea of whether it's a good idea to go for an old version of EcoDot, or you should go with the 4th Gen. So you'll get to know all that in this video. So let's do the unboxing and then we'll talk about this in detail. Okay, so before we open the box to see what's inside, let's take a look of what's written around the box. So here it says 3.5 mm aux audio out, Bluetooth, hands-free with Alexa, microphone on-off button, and then it says compatible with thousands of skills and services including Amazon Prime Music, Jio7, AIR, which is All India Radio, Wipro, Sanjeev Kapoor, Choo Choo, and then it talks about what's inside the box. It says EcoDot 4th generation and power adapter. Setup is simple, requires Wi-Fi and the Amazon Alexa app. And then it says Alexa is happy to help. Smart speaker plus Alexa. Now here it talks about the cost, and what's written is 4499. If you purchase this during Amazon sale, you'll get it a lot cheaper. I purchased it for around 3200 including tax. And then here it says EcoDot Alexa, and that's it. So now we'll open the box to see what's inside. I have already taken off the seal, so we'll just open the box, and inside, as you can see, we have got the EcoDot 4th generation. In addition to that, we have got the 15-watt power adapter. Let me put it here. And then the last item that we have inside the box is the user manual and some information about this particular device. So we'll keep this aside. And now let me quickly power on this unit, and then we'll do the setup and I'll talk about the benefits going forward. Okay. If you just take a look here at the bottom, you see there are two holes. The first one is for the power cord or the power cable, and the second hole is for the 3.5 mm audio jack. And at the top, you can see we have got the volume up button, volume low button. This is the one to mute the microphone of this unit, and this one is to give manual voice command, or if you want to reset the device, or if you want to do the configuration again, you can press and hold this button, and then this device will go into configuration mode or setup mode, and then you can do the setup again. So just in case you have changed your Wi-Fi network, or you have changed Wi-Fi password, you want to update that. So in that case, you can long press and you can put this device in setup mode and you can do the setup again. So now let me quickly power it on. So I've connected the power cable and give it some time to power on. And to set up the device, we need to have the Alexa app on our phone. So I do have the Alexa app installed on my phone because I already have an Alexa 2nd Gen. Okay, let me quickly show you. So if you can see, the LED ring at the bottom is going round and round.
This device is ready for setup. Just install the Alexa app and follow the instructions.
We'll see a pop-up here on the screen, and we'll be able to do the setup. Okay, so there it goes. So we have the pop-up on our screen. Now we'll tap on continue, and it says connecting to device. Now okay, there it is. Okay, interestingly, this EcoDot 4th generation, even the 2nd generation, supports both 2.4 and 5 gigahertz band Wi-Fi. So I'll go with 5 gigahertz. And now it says connecting to your connecting your Echo Dot to Wi-Fi. So we'll give it some time.
Your Echo is ready.
Okay, so now it says we have a confirmation that your Echo Dot is now connected. We'll tap on continue. We can add it in any group. So I'll add it to the entertainment group. We'll tap on continue. Okay, now we can see it shows setup is complete. So we'll tap on done. Okay, so right now I have connected this Echo Dot 4th gen with my phone, and this device is like a Bluetooth speaker. I'll play some music.
Playing from iPhone.
Okay, so the audio quality is quite good. It's very loud, and you have got little bass as well. Now, if we talk about the quality of this particular device, it has got multiple features. Let me start with the cost. We already discussed that, but I'll do a quick recap. So talking about the cost, on the box it says 4499, but I purchased this device during Amazon sale, and I purchased this for 3200 including tax. You'll get 1 year warranty with this device. Now, talking about more features, you can use this device as a Bluetooth speaker like I'm using right now. I have connected this device to my iPhone, and I can play music from my iPhone to this Amazon Echo Dot Generation 4. You can also play music from Amazon Echo Dot 4 to any home theater which is Bluetooth enabled, or you can connect your Amazon Echo device using a 3.5 mm audio cable, and you can connect it with a home theater or a speaker, and you can play music from here. In addition to that, you have multiple skills, and using that skills you can listen to radio, you can listen to weather information, you can listen to news. In addition to that, you can play some games. And one interesting feature is if you have got a smart bulb or smart switch, smart socket at your home, you can turn it off and on using by giving voice command. Like I have got a smart bulb right here, so let me turn that off and show you. Alexa, good night.
Okay.
Okay, so the bulb is off. Let me turn it back on. Alexa, good morning.
Okay.
All right, so the bulb is on. You can also change color. You can increase brightness. You can decrease brightness by giving voice command. Before I go ahead and play some music to check the audio quality, to do a comparison of audio quality of this 2nd gen with this 4th gen device, let's test some skills. So we'll start with the 4th gen. Alexa, how is the weather in Delhi?
Right now in Delhi, it's 24 degrees Celsius with clear skies. Throughout the night you can expect more of the same, with a low of 14 degrees.
Okay, so that was 4th gen. Now let's check out with the 2nd gen. Alexa, how is the weather in Delhi?
Right now in Delhi, it's 24 degrees Celsius with clear skies. Throughout the night you can expect more of the same, with a low of 14 degrees.
Okay, one difference we just saw is this device is loud. This one is okay, but comparatively it's not as loud as the 4th gen. So that's one big difference. Now, as I said, let me play some music, and we'll start with the 4th gen. Okay, now we'll play some music on the second gen device. Let me quickly add the second gen device with my phone as a Bluetooth speaker, and then I'll play some music there. Okay, so I just connected my...
Now connected to iPhone.
Okay, so the device is connected. Let me quickly play some music. Okay, so this device is at its full volume. We'll go back and play the same music on the 4th gen device, and we'll try to check the volume. So let me pause the music. Okay, we'll go back and play some music on the 4th gen device. I just disconnected the Bluetooth.
Now connected to iPhone.
Okay, so this one is connected, and let's play the same music here. Okay, so that's a huge difference. If I talk about the volume, I guess the 4th generation is double louder than the 2nd generation. So that's a huge difference. If I talk about the design, if I compare the design with the 2nd gen, as you can see, this is a lot fancier than the 2nd generation, and the build quality is totally different. The 2nd gen is completely plastic. This one is made up of plastic plus fabric, so that's a huge difference. One additional feature that I would like to talk is this generation 4. It supports multiple languages like Hindi, English, Telugu, Tamil, Punjabi, Marathi, Bengali, Bhojpuri, Kannada, and more. In addition to that, you can play music from Amazon Prime Music, Spotify, JioSaavn, Gaana, Apple Music, and Hungama Music. If you're planning to purchase this device, I would recommend you to check this box which says link to my Amazon account to simplify setup. You'll find this checkbox right below the device information. So if you just scroll down a bit, you'll have this information at the bottom which says link to my Amazon account to simplify setup. If you check this box, this unit, when it will get delivered, it will have your Amazon username and password already there. You just need to select Wi-Fi, and it would simplify the setup like you just saw. So that's all. Hope you enjoyed it. Hope you found this video informative. If you liked it, give it a thumbs up. If you are new to my channel, do subscribe. In case you have a question, you can ask me in comment section down below. You can also join me on Instagram and Twitter. Both Instagram and Twitter's handle are there on your screen as well as in the description box. Thanks for watching.